Another important thing about reference types is that they can be null. What does this mean? Well, first we have the warrior class inheriting from this base character class. If you are not following the videos in order, imagine that we have armor, durability, and now imagine that of course I have to add the armor, public and then now what will happen here? Some exception. Why? Because we haven't initialized the armor. Now we can do like some checks and have something like this. But now the durability will be equal to now. Of course, we might, so you need to check again for now. Now, maybe the warrior itself is not now, is now. We'll get another problem. Now, where does this error come from? Well, there is this setting here. And if we go to build, then you can change this behavior here. Now it will be disabled by default. Now this error disappears. You can also do something like enable false. Enable warnings, and this will produce the same error. Now if we have some weapon, or I called it armor, warrior armor, then I can do something like this. And of course the no exception, since I forgot to revert my change. And now armor is initialized. Okay, there is also one more thing to consider, that there is something called the garbage collector, because you have all these objects in the memory, and at some point you might create too many objects, and imagine you have warrior, and then so on and so on and so on, and this will consume a lot of memory. Now there is some automatic process going on in the background which checks how many of these objects are in use, and if there is a null reference, then this is very likely to be collected by the garbage collector. Garbage collector is some process which is running in the background and frees up memory automatically. Of course, the garbage collector is a more advanced topic which I am not going to cover in this video, but you can see in the diagnostic tools what's going on with the garbage collector. What else there is to know? Basically, null reference means that you are creating a pointer which does not point to some address in the memory. Now I explained how to check for nulls, how to somehow prevent these nulls. There is also checking, having some try-catch block which catches the exceptions and prevents the program from crashing. But this is out of scope for this video, and for now that's all, and thanks for watching.